I'm really on the ropes this time. I've been fighting all my life for you. I never should have said goodbye, but maybe that's what stupid people do. 'Cause you gave me peace, and I wasted it. I'm here to admit that you were my medicine. Oh, I couldn't quit, and I'm down on my knees again, asking for nothing. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Ooh.
Sometimes you appear in places you never thought you would be there. This is my case in Geiranger, Norway, where I had the opportunity to learn, cook and interact with an international team in the Avila Geiranger Hotel. Geiranger is a little village in the western part of Norway, located in one of the deepest and largest fjords in Norway, and has an incredible landscape and waterfalls.
And we tasted it. I'm here to admit that you were my medicine.
The area has unique natural surroundings that were created over a succession of ice ages when glaciers scraped out deep fires and shaped the highest mountains.
Oh, thank you for the happiest year of my life.
Geiranger is an adventure itself, and there you can practice hiking, kayak, and activities like zip line or rappel.
When you were sleeping next to me, 'cause I really loved you.
As you can see, this experience allowed me to practice in a professional kitchen and discover new food and local products, and also the Norwegian cuisine: fish, cheese, strawberries, and other fruits.
Oh, thank you for the happiest year of my life. Yeah.
Thank you to all the teachers and professionals that helped me to experiment this knowledge, and I invite everyone to participate in the Erasmus internship program. Thanks for watching.